Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer McLeod, General Surgeon with Trinity Health Michigan and Trinity Health IHA Medical Group. I specialize in hernia repairs, including minimally invasive and robotic techniques, gallbladder surgery, soft tissue masses, and endoscopy, including both colonoscopies and EGDs. I'm dedicated to providing surgical excellence and care for my patients throughout all stages of surgery. I believe in the importance of treating patients as a whole, respecting diverse backgrounds and cultures, and listening to concerns while working with each patient individually to make decisions related to surgical planning. I develop a partnership with my patients in efforts to help them attain their needs and their goals. I'm very passionate about helping others. I've been on 9 surgical relief trips to help underserved populations in Central and South America and Africa, and hope to do more. At Trinity Health Michigan, you will receive excellent and compassionate care from dedicated surgeons and staff. I look forward to caring for you.